And the purpose is to allow nations to identify aircraft with enough early warning to go out there and intercept those aircraft in the ADIZ before they can take any kind of aggressive action against it. So in the old days, aircraft used to have to fly all the way into their target area and drop bombs. The irony about an ADIZ today, because it only goes out a couple hundred miles, is that the Russians and the Chinese both have cruise missile capability that they can launch from beyond the ADIZ. So we're still going to identify the threats, and we're still going to intercept them as they come into that area.
A lot of people know NORAD as the Santa tracker.